are not allowing me immigration. Thank you.
Welcome to Bali, guys.
Wow. We can't find a room. Hi guys, I'm going on my first ever solo trip, that too internationally. I'm going to Bali, as you might have known already from the title. So I'm at Bangalore airport right now because my connecting flight was from Bangalore. I just landed from Goa and I landed at T1. I am right now searching for the shuttle to T2. So as per my research, this is where you get like at the exit you get a shuttle to T2 which is free. I'm vlogging in public all alone. What's happened to me? Some people are looking but I don't care anymore. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later because I have to search for the shuttle. I found it. Allowing me immigration because my flight is at 1:15 a.m. and right now it's just 7, so I have to go around 9 p.m. They won't allow immigration more than 4 hours early, so I'm just gonna watch some series which I've downloaded on my phone. Just posted a story saying I'm going on my first solo trip. YouTube के लिए vlog कर रही हूँ, तो आप एक बार हाय बोल देना. Hi. She loved my hair. She just complimented. Thank you. Welcome. आप बहुत sweet हो. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Guys, I just shopped at Duty Free. I bought the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I'm out of brow pencil since I think a couple of years now. I had used this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil for a long time. If you see any video of mine, हर video में मैंने कंजूसली use किया है. I used it till its last like drop, you know. And after that I have been so confused because Benefit brow pencils are so expensive, you guys, but they last forever and they are such good quality. It was not that cheap at Duty Free. It was like almost same as online with discount, so I'm like, forget it, I need it, so I bought it. I've been just using brow gels. I didn't have a pencil. By the way, the Bangalore T2 is beautiful, you guys. And now I'm hungry. I'm just searching for places to eat. There are so many aesthetic places here to eat. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you. All the places have this aesthetic over here. Can you see how pretty this is? Where should I eat? I feel like eating Rajma Chawal.
Tomorrow.
Guys, I just landed in Bali. There are a few things to keep in mind. First is of course your passport. Second is visa. So there is visa on arrival, but there is also e-visa available, which I bought last week and it gets approved within a minute. There are 2 lanes for visa on arrival and e-visa. You have to pay around 35 USD for both. There's no difference, but I think to save time you should do e-visa at home. Then there is a custom declarations form which I filled again at home. You can fill it 2 days before. You can fill 1 day before also. You can fill after coming also, but you can't fill before 2 days because the date doesn't show future date, the date of arrival. There is tourism levy fees. I paid that, but they randomly check it. They didn't check for me. And by the way, I have come with a group tour, so it's like a package tour. There will be a tour guide because I don't enjoy the process of planning a trip. I like to go on ready-made trips, and since it was my first solo trip, it made sense to go with a group like this instead of going completely alone and then planning everything by myself. I don't enjoy that. With this group tour you get to meet new people, so that is the main purpose of solo trip actually. So I'm excited. I already met one person from our group, and around 12:30 they're gonna pick us up. It's 11:17 right now. We're gonna meet more people. I have just connected to my Wi-Fi and I was checking my Instagram. After reaching the airport you will get many SIM card options, but I already bought eSIM back at home. I'm very organized. I've done everything at home. I have taken Matrix eSIM. I'll add all the details in the description box. I've taken 5 GB for 28 days. Mostly I'll be using Wi-Fi, but just in case required, I'll use my data. Guys, meet Avinash. He's in my crew. Hi guys. Hi. It's for me, but I forgot to vlog, and I was gonna tell him to put again, but it's and meet Kishi. Hi. We just met. This is Aphrodite.
Aphrodite, yeah.
Aphrodite.
I look good on your camera.
Really?
Yeah, so we are using our camera forever. We are using our camera in the whole
for
trip.
my YouTube vlog.
It's okay. No. अरे यार last trip.
The first time, right?
हाँ. इसमें से सारे के सारे सबका सोलो ट्रिप पहला है, right?
I don't know.
My first
मेरा
solo
छोड़
trip.
के.
Oh yeah, nice.
हाँ.
सब लोगों का फर्स्ट टाइम है.
मेरा छोड़ के.
अरे मतलब.
Hers is
Yeah.
8th.
Yeah, I'm just
तो सब
asking.
में मैं आती हूँ, पता है?
नहीं, मेरे बोलने का मतलब नहीं कि फर्स्ट नहीं है मेरे कि सब लोग सोलो हो. That's what I'm asking.
हाँ, मतलब
Nice.
शाम वाले बैच में आएंगे कपल.
Welcome to Bali, guys. Transform yourself, of course, tolerance level and everything. That's it, basically community trip. यहाँ पे किसी में pan India से लोग आएंगे and like this, like some from Bangalore, Goa, Mumbai, whatever, and you have to kind of like run the trip with them fully. That's community trip. Yeah.
So basically, what you did yesterday, you formed a bond with a person you met in a hostel, right? So something like that, but you formed bond because you were able to vibe. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाइब होती है. स्टार्टिंग में बोल देते हैं कि तुम्हारा ये ग्रुप है, एंड वी जस्ट वाइब विद देम. तो इंट्रोवर्ट्स के लिए इजी रहता है.
The group captain, guys.
काजू.
Kaju. That's your drinking water. You're drinking the water from here. Welcome to Wander on Bali trip.
रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो ना ये? यही होता है यहाँ पे. कितना?
Guys, we've reached the hotel. Yeah.
That's a captain who is smoking. So I'm not sure what we are supposed to do.
Thank you. This is some kind of tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. इसमें जिन डाल के पी सकते.
What is the plan now?
पहले तो खाना खाएंगे और फिर आगे देखते हैं.
No, I'll wear clothes accordingly.
बाहर जाएंगे ना शॉपिंग वगैरह के लिए. नहीं है ये. आइए.
Guys, this is our room.
Go to ये मिरर है यहाँ पे.
Hi.
आप लोगों ने लगेज ले लो ना. ठीक है, लगेज कौन का?
Which one? The first one on the top, and the last second.
And that one also.
This one. I'm not agree.
Go inside. Thank you. I can finally eat something. I haven't eaten anything. I'm fasting for no reason. And
ये statement piece है जिसे खाना नहीं चाहिए.
it looks fake, but they are real fruits, you
It is
guys.
real fruit. It's a statement piece, and she's planning to eat that. Think the vlogger she is.
अभी
And
view
now,
देखते हैं.
and now we're gonna open something which you've never seen till today. Ta-da! See.
Wow.
Okay. It was like
I
this.
thought there is no glass.
It is different. Fuck it.
Wait.
Okay. You twist and then open. Okay.
Okay. The glass is clean. Wow, you guys. This looks like Kerala to me. I have not been to Kerala, but
It gives very Alleppey vibe, you know.
what else?
Alleppey. Alleppey. It's in Kerala.
Okay.
The place name is Alleppy, something like that. And it's a backwater area and it gives off this vibe only.
Okay.
Beautiful.
I wish a man said that to me. Hori.
Oh yeah. Dude, you look great. See, this is a person who traveled 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 24 hours. She took an airport for flight of 24 hours and she looks like this. I
haven't looked
mean, turn, babe, turn. I mean, look at the curls. They are intact. Which product you are using?
Hairspray, guys.
We got an advertisement.
Hairspray.
The curl, the everything,
Curl up, Ashba.
and the dress. Turn,
Be blunt.
lady, turn. I mean, you are saying.
Clothes are sponsored.
You are saying that you don't feel fresh and you don't feel good.
Yeah. I feel dirty, guys. I haven't even brushed my
And she looks so damn good.
You're being
This is not done. I mean, let's ignore her now. We came for this. And I look like this. After having freshen up, I look like this. Influencer and vlogger having a banana.
It's 2:43. I haven't eaten anything.
भूख लगी है खाना 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 खाना
Guys, we're ready for the pool. I put this
Hey,
flower.
it's a video.
Yeah, it's a video.
I thought it's a photo.
This is what I'm wearing.
This is so pretty.
It's a hair clip.
इसे कहते हैं चालू पत्ती.
This is a sarong which the trip people gave. So cute. Suits perfectly.
Oh, I forgot about that.
It's ready for the pools. Pool girl ready. लिफ्ट से जाना है ना. वो गई नीचे. Check in her room.
Hey girl, you there?
She left waiting. Guys, तो मैं sleeping. I was sitting. अरे where is 212? उधर है. I was sitting on the swimming pool का bench, and this. अरे and this flower just fell on my lap from the tree. And I was literally thinking about
is not
this
the right
flower
place.
at that time. I manifested.
Girl, this is not the right place.
Then,
नीचे जाके दूसरे साइड जाना पड़ेगा.
but how come these people went? I manifested it. And show me that fake flower. This is what I had. I had a fake flower. I was just thinking, what if I had a real one? And at the same time, this flower falls in my lap. It was a magical moment.
तो कोने में जाके देख.
We can't find a room. We can't find a room. But how come they went?
I don't know. We were not with them.
They left and then we were clicking pictures. My eyelash extensions are like still there. 2 महीने हो गए. This is my bite. I was trying to open it. You know, people are asking me in DMs, not a solo trip, because I reposted your story. I said it's a group of solo travelers.
ठीक है बोल देना community trip.
And some people are like, how are you clicking your photos? It's not lychee. It's good. But I don't know what fruit this is. I'm like, YOLO. I'm not gonna be here again. I may.
ये भी record कर रही है.
Your bridesmaids.
मागे भाग दीदी मागे भाग पीछे देखो पीछे
I feel sick. I'm surviving on 2 hours.